Hi, our project is the remote IO sensor bus using Hexiwear development platform. As you see, this is the actual setup of the project. What we are actually doing is we are gathering data from 3 of the sensors and then sending it to the cloud, and we'll be displaying all the data on the cloud we'll be sending our data to the Wi-Fi module. So this is the basic setup of our project. This is the Hexiwear brain, which is actually a K64 based processor. This is our docking station through which we can connect multiple sensors through it. So it has all the access lines, the SPI, I2C and UART lines we can pick it up. Initially we have connected 3 of our sensors. So this here is the ammeter click. So it basically measures the current through the circuit, and this is the voltmeter, which is used to measure the voltage, and this is the ambient light sensor. We have used a breadboard because we need to connect our Wi-Fi chip, which is used to transfer the data to the cloud. So to verify our output, we are using a digital multimeter to measure the current and voltage across the circuits, and then we are using a power supply, which will give us the input supply, which we can use to test the voltmeter. To check the ammeter, we are using a DC motor as a load, so the current will be measured in series across the DC motor. So now the device is connected to your personal hotspot. So we can see here that the device is actually connected to the Wi-Fi which is provided by the hotspot, and this data is actually sent to the cloud. We use a ThinkSpeak portal to get our output. These are the 3 outputs we are getting: the ammeter, the voltmeter and the ambient light sensor. So we are going to go ahead and show you the output of each individual sensor. So I'm going to first black out the ambient light sensor, so I will not be allowing any light to pass through it. So our system basically gathers all the data every 15 seconds and then sends it to the cloud. So as you see right now, it takes 2 or 3 values to get a stable output out of it. So now you see the value has gone to 0 because I have covered the ambient light sensor. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove it so that the value will resume back to the original 255. The next we are going to check is the voltmeter and the ammeter. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on this supply. So as you can hear in the background, our DC motor is running. So this supply is given to our voltmeter and also to the ammeter. So I'm going to go ahead and measure the voltage across the voltmeter. So as you see, it's showing 4.05 volts, and we are going to go ahead and show that in our cloud. As you see, it's actually climbing right now, so it's 3.89 now. So the next value would be somewhat closer to what has actually been said. It's 4. So next we go on to the ammeter. So as you see, the load is now getting onto the DC motor, and we can see that the value of the ammeter is actually showing, it's actually steadily climbing and then setting it up at 80.33.
I will increase the voltage.
Yeah, I can increase the voltage and then
12 or 10.
Keeping it now at 10 volts. So naturally both the voltmeter and the ammeter outputs will increase. As you can see, there is a spike in that. So that is our entire project. Thank you.